Hello everybody and welcome back. In this lesson we are going to learn about HTML formatting, how we can format text in HTML. In HTML the text can be formatted in many ways, with the ability to make text bold, italicized or underlined. So let's go ahead and I'm going to copy this just to save some time. Let's type formatting and I'll go inside, open it with brackets, and I'll get rid of these extra stuffs. Okay, so we are here and let's go ahead and type some text in the body. So let's type formatting in the web page. So this is our simple text which we should take a look at. I'll just save it and I'm just going to double click on my index.html page. Right now, if you can see, we have this formatting in web page, because we haven't added any line break here. That's totally fine, not a problem. But now we want to make this text bold, this italicized, and this one underlined. So let's go ahead and try to do that. So I'm just going to add, let me first copy this, and I'll just go ahead and use a tag known as B. B is for bold, and come on. Okay, so we are here formatting in the web page and I have added the bold tag in front of it. So let me save it and then go ahead and preview it. So as you can see, we have this normal text which we wrote, and the text we wrote inside the B tag, which is for making the text bold. Now let's go ahead and italicize it. So I will just go ahead and I will type I, and then I'm just going to paste this text, and if I save it and I'm going to reload this, you will see the text italicized. In the same way, we can go ahead and use U for underlined, and also a strike, S-T-R-I-K-E, strike, for striking it. So let's go ahead and preview it so we can understand. So now let's take a look at it. This is the simple text. This is the text inside the B, which is the bold tag. This is the text inside the I, which is the italicized text, and this is U for underline, and this is the strike for strike. And also you can use these tags one inside another, as I already said in the nested tags. So let's go ahead and use these tags in a nest. Let me first go ahead and type this text is bold. This text is bold, and also I will go ahead and add italics, or more importantly italicized. And once I save it and I preview it in the browser, you can see this text is bold, italicized. So you can use all of these one by one without any problem. And you can also go ahead and add all of these inside a single text if you wish. So this was basically how you can format the text in our HTML document. We will also learn some advanced formatting in the next lessons. So catch you in the next one.